promise that you
Jangan lupa untuk subscribe dan nyalakan lonceng notifikasinya.
overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you up to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right.
You've probably heard about the new 7-seater BMW X7. The 2022 BMW X7 seating capacity makes it a great option for growing Nashua families, but that's not the only impressive thing about the BMW X7 interior. There are also all of the state-of-the-art features, as well as the BMW X7 cargo space. We go into the details about all of that below, in addition to discussing the beautiful upholstery and trim options for this impressive SUV. 2022 BMW X7 interior features. The new BMW X7 interior is packed with features that are sure to transform your Manchester commute into pure joy. Here is a list of just a few of the awesome features that you'll find loaded into the new 7-seater BMW X7.
That you put me through, I give it up to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I'm
2022 BMW X7 interior features. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant, BMW Live Cockpit Professional, glass gear selector, heated, ventilated, massaging front seats, panoramic sky lounge LED roof, Wi-Fi hotspot, 12.3-inch central information display, and many more. BMW X7 seating capacity and cargo space. Load up the groceries, the soccer gear, the band equipment, or whatever you have to haul around the Lowell, Massachusetts area. Thanks to the generous amount of BMW X7 cargo space, you've got room for it. Here are the dimensions of the spacious 7-seater BMW X7. 2022 BMW X7 interior, BMW X7 dimensions. 2022 BMW X7 seating capacity, 7 passengers. First, second, third row headroom, inches, 41.9, 39.9, 36.6. First, second, third row shoulder room, inches, 60.0, 58.1, 47.9. First, second, third row legroom, inches, 39.8, 37.6, 33.3. 2022 BMW X7 cargo space behind one stone, second, third row, cubic feet, 90.4, 48.6, 12.8.
Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, right, right. Right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. I try to let go.
2022 BMW X7 interior colors and seating. The colors and seating appointments in the new BMW X7 have been expertly chosen to perfectly complement the attractive exterior. Here are your options. 2022 BMW X7 interior upholstery. Black Sensatec, coffee Vernasca leather, cognac Vernasca leather, black Vernasca leather. 2022 BMW X7 interior trim. Anthracite brown poplar matte finish wood, ash grain black wood, fine line black wood, individual piano black finish, individual fine wood ash grain.
Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you.